Hi, my name is Jason Collier, a professional hairdresser from London, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create soft wave curls using the Panasonic hair straightener. What you might not know is that the Panasonic hair straightener can also be used to create curls and not just to straighten. Due to its friendly design and easy grip, this makes it very easy even for beginners. Just a quick tip before we get started. Due to the friendly design, when curling, the hair straightener has a grip point which will make it much more easy to create those waves and those shapes in the hair. Placing the Panasonic iron in, we're going to gently smooth down to the shoulder, flip it round, holding the grip, and then just gently pull in. Moving into our second section, we're going to repeat once again, gliding the Panasonic hair straightener down. And now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it in the other direction. This is going to give you a bit of a different curl in a different move, and it will just help to encourage all that bounce. So this is the finished look. As you can see, the Nano E provides moisture, shine, and a perfect glossy finish to your hairstyle. So, what we're going to start off doing is splitting the front section on both sides, just slightly twisting them out the way so we can work on the top area. Lightly lifting the top section, we're going to do a little bit of gentle back combing. Chop it down, gently twisting into place. Just slide that pin in. Okay, so moving on to the other side. And then just gently twisting using a pin to secure. So here we have the half up, half down soft wave, which is beautiful for any occasion such as weddings or garden parties.
Panasonic.